students, let us start how many squares, chapter 3 Mathemagic class 5 video 1. At the end of this video, you will be able to draw and count squares on a dotted sheet.
When all four sides are equal, the shape is called as square. All four sides are equal.
This is a square sheet. Okay. All four sides are equal. So at the end of the video, you will be able to draw and count squares on dotted sheet. Find area of a shape by counting number of squares. If this is a big square, if we divide it in 4 squares, so this is 1 centimeter. So area of this bigger square will be 1. Now see. So we need to count small squares 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we can find area of a shape by counting number of squares.
Area. Suppose we have a square. This is a square. Square means all four sides are equal. This is equal to this and this. All four sides are equal. Suppose this side is 1 centimeter. This side is again 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. If a square is there which has all the sides 1 centimeter, its area will be, what is this called? Square, a square. So area will be 1 square centimeter. This is 1 square now. So area is 1 square centimeter. Okay.
Compare areas of shapes by counting number of squares. So if different shapes, in different shape we can mark a square of 1 centimeter area, and by just counting we can tell the area of the shape. Compare areas of shapes by counting number of squares. So in 2 or more shapes will be there, we can count the number of small squares, 1 centimeter square. Then we can tell which area is larger, which is small. Define and find perimeter of a square and rectangle. So let us start.
Now see these dots on the board. If I make one square, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. All the sides are 1 centimeter. Okay. So I can make many squares in this dots. So if I have to use 12 squares, how many squares? 12 squares. If I have to use 12 squares, then what will happen? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have this just by using 12 square, but I did. So what is this figure? This is a rectangle. Very good. Now it becomes rectangle. Okay. So what is the area of this rectangle? Yes. Such 12 squares are there. So area of this rectangle is 12 square centimeter. Area of this rectangle is 12 square centimeter. So we have to just count squares, 1 centimeter squares. So how many 1 centimeter squares will be there? The area will be equal to that. Okay. So now the question is, how many squares can I make? How many rectangles can I make by using 12? So again I have squares. Okay, a rectangle like this. है ना? So another which includes 12 small square. So area will be 12 square centimeter. Okay. So can you make some more rectangles with this? You make and tell me how many rectangles with 12 squares can be made
This
in
is
this
a
grid.
dotted sheet.
We have
So the question is, how many rectangle I can make by using 12 small squares? This is one square, 1 centimeter from all side. Okay, so this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Square has all four sides are equal. So how many rectangles I can form by using 12 such squares? Let me start. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have used 12 small squares to make a rectangle. So now you can see this is a rectangle. So how many such rectangle we can form? Let me join again some lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So touch it. 12. So one more rectangle is there with 12 squares. One more can be done from here. So this also has 12 small squares. Similarly, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So one more. 1, 2, 3. One more rectangle. One more rectangle is there. And one more rectangle is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can make 7 such rectangle with by using 12 small squares. When you will draw at home, you can use uh, scale to draw proper lines like this, a straight line. Okay. So next, now see, measure stamps. There are many stamps put in the square box. So let us see. This is one area of this is stamp A, stamp B, stamp C, stamp D, stamp E, and stamp F. So let us see the area of these stamps. For first A stamp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So stamp A has 18 1 centimeter square in it. So area of this A will be 18 square centimeter because it has 18 small squares. So it has 18 square centimeter its area. Or we can directly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. 6 and see this 1, 2, 3, then multiply by 3. So it is equal to 18. Okay, so number of small square is 18. So area is 18 square centimeter. Okay, let us see next stamp. Stamp B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stamp B has 8 small squares. So its area is 8 square centimeter. Now see stamp C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 small squares. So its area is 6 square centimeter. Now see stamp D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 1, 2, 3. That is 12 squares. So its area is 12 square centimeter. Square centimeter. Okay. Now let's next stamp. E 1, 2, 3, 4. F 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 is equal to 12 square. So its area is 12 square centimeter. So see here A has 18 small square. So area become 18 square centimeter. B has 8 square. So area become 8 square centimeter. C has 6 squares. So 6 centimeter. 6 square centimeter. D has 12 squares. So 12 square centimeter area. E has 4 square centimeter area. F has 12 square centimeter area. So you can see stamp D and F. Stamp D and F. However, it seems different but has same area. And the smallest area. E is the smallest stamp. E has the smallest area. A is the largest stamp, so A has largest area. Okay, so let us move. Here it is. Look at these interesting stamps. You have seen the stamps. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? A covers 18 square and B covers 8 square. Which stamp has the biggest area? Stamp A has biggest area. We have just seen it has 18 squares. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Stamp A covers 18 square centimeter area. Which type, which two stamps have the same area? Stamp D and stamp F has same area. How how much is the area of each of these stamps? D and F has the equal area and each has 12 square centimeter area. The area of smallest stamp is E, area is 4 square centimeter. The difference between the area of smallest and the biggest stamp is 14 square centimeter. Smallest is E, you can see 4. Biggest is A, 18. So 18 minus 4 is 14 square centimeter. Okay, at home what you can do, you can collect some old stamps and place in the square grid and find their area parameter. Okay, let us move next. Now guess which has bigger area, one of your footprint or the page of this book. No, one of your footprint or page of the book. So definitely area of this page is more than area of your footprint. Which has the smaller area, two 5 rupee note together or a 100 rupee note? So answer is a 100 rupee note is bigger than 5 rupees note. What you can do, you can put small squares of 1 centimeter square on 5 rupee note and then 100 rupees note. You can find that. Look at the 10 rupee note. Is its area more than 100 square centimeter? If you will look at this 10 rupees note. Is it area seems to be more than 100 square centimeter? No. We can, if we will put 10 1 centimeter square centimeter, will not come in this. So area of a 10 rupees note is less than 100 square centimeter. Now see these two area, 1 and 2. Is the area of blue shape is more than the area of yellow shape, and why? No, the both shapes has equal area. Okay, you can see here it is divided into two triangles. If a square sheet is there and I fold like this, so it is exactly become triangle. You can see this, you know? So this both shape has equal area.
Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is called as length of the boundary. Length of the boundary is called as perimeter. Suppose we have so what will be the perimeter of this square? Again, all sides are equal. Suppose this is 5 centimeter. So this will also 5 centimeter. This will also 5 centimeter. This will also 5 centimeter. Okay. So length of the boundary will be perimeter, that is equal to this plus this plus this 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So this is the case of repeated addition. And what is the meaning of repeated addition? Multiplication. Means 5 into 4. Repeated addition means multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. So instead of adding this time 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, we can multiply 5 by 4. This will become 20 centimeter. So now you can see square has how many sides? 4 sides. And what is the measure of one side? 5 centimeter. So length of a side into में 4. That will gives you perimeter of a square.
Is the perimeter of yellow shape more than the perimeter of blue shape? No. Perimeter is also same.